Hello, I'm Radhakrishnan, an art enthusiast residing in Muscat. I was following artist Parag through his Facebook post from long time back, and I was always fascinated by his artworks. I was very excited when I saw the workshop details in Facebook. He conducted the workshop in a very professional way. I think he put a lot of effort to design and make this happen. The timing was very good, and he organized a very well manner. I have completed this pastel painting during the workshop. Even though the workshop was conducted for a group of people, I felt like it was individual coaching, as he was giving continuously feedback during the each and every stage of this painting. He briefed several art-related topics like his own art journey, drawing, thoughts behind the painting, how to compose a painting, art material in details, process of painting, preserving, framing, transporting, and exhibition, social media, and lot more. Definitely, his guidance and coaching is going to influence my artwork further. The workshop was highly useful for artists like me, and it is completely worth for the time, effort, and money we spend for it. I am so thankful to artist Parag to conduct this workshop, and I am eagerly waiting for the next one.